Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Microsoft Store with the error code 0x80073d23 in Windows 10 computer. So this error occurs when users attempt to install, update, or launch a Microsoft Store app. It also indicates that the installation process failed due to conflict between the app's package and the computer existing app data. Then I'll show you solutions to fix this error. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to clear the Microsoft Store cache. So all you have to do is to click on a search menu. And then here you need to type this command keyword ws reset.exe. So just type this command keyword ws reset.exe, and then you need to click this open. So this procedure is a troubleshooting tool which is used to reset or clear the Windows Store without changing the account settings or deleting installed apps. So that's why we will do this command keyword ws reset.exe, that the Microsoft Store we need to back to default settings and to fix this error. Alright, so once you're done here at Microsoft Store, and then we need to close. If the error is still persists, and the next solutions that we're going to do is to run the Microsoft Store app troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to click on a search menu, and then here you need to type this troubleshoot settings, and then you need to click open. And then once you open up, and then on right side, and then you need now to select this additional troubleshooters and then click. And then here at additional troubleshooters, at here at left side navigation panel, and then you need now to scroll down, and then underneath here at find and fix other problems, and then you need to scroll down and then select this Windows Store apps. So all you have to do is to click, and then you can see now this run the troubleshooters and then click, and then pop up this Windows Store detecting problems. Then we need to wait to complete the initializings and diagnostic process. And then after that, then we need to follow the screen instructions to fix this error. And also you can view detailed information about these issues and then click. And you can see now the troubleshootings report. So Windows Store apps. And then again, you need to follow the screen instructions, step-by-step procedure here to fix this error. And then you need to click or tap this next to proceed. And then after that, and then we need to close. And then next solutions that we're going to do is to reset the network. So all you have to do is to click again on a search menu, and then you need to type settings, and then you need to click open. And then once you open up here at Windows settings, and then you need now to select this network and internet and then click. So here now at network and internet, and then on right side, and then you need to scroll down. And then underneath here at advanced network settings, and then you need now to select this network reset and then click. So here now at network reset, so this will remove then reinstall all your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client, software, or virtual switches. Then you need to tap or click this reset now to fix this error. And then after here, then we need to close. And then here at the start button, then you need to click this restart to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And hopefully this video was helpful and guide on Windows settings on your PC. And give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are having problems with Windows. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for Windows Guide tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.